it is Rue. In today's video, we are going to make the Melon Ball. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's go. To make this drink, we are going to grab these ingredients. Vodka, I have here Kettle One. Melon Liqueur, I have here Midori. Orange juice. If you have fresh orange juice, that'll work also. 3 ingredients. Okay, it's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a rocks glass, and a jigger. First step, grab your orange. Shake the bottle before you open it. We're gonna be pouring 1 ounce of the juice into the shaker. Grab your bottle of vodka. Open the bottle. Pour 1 ounce of vodka into the shaker. Pour 1 ounce of Midori into the shaker. Take your ice, pour a little bit of ice into the shaker. Close the shaker and shake your drink. Grab your rocks glass and add ice. Fill it to the top. And the last step is to pour the drink into the glass. And there you go, my friends, a melon ball. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.